in my messy house. Let's get right into this video, guys. Hey guys, welcome back. Why do it look like my seat just shrank and like this all this extra space like up here? Hold on. Oh, this chair sucks. Oh, home office. Let's try this again. Hey guys, what's going on? I'm just gonna get right into it. Today's video is all about thank you, just doing some shout outs. Got a mail call here. As you saw from the thumbnail, I got the best friends, fans, followers, and family. Today's video is just gonna be awesome. I wanted to show you some really cool things that came into the P.O. box, and just want to share it to you. We're gonna just chit chat, we're gonna have a little coffee. Plus I have this giveaway I want to show you right now. I've been meaning to give it away for a while, and it's pretty big. Alright, anyways, it's a lighting kit. It's a lighting kit from Emart. It comes with actually I have something to show you. I have another one. Let me show you. All right, so I'm reading what this giveaway is and what is in this box right here. The brand is Emart. I got it on Amazon. It's about a $50-something value. It's a photography light. It has a 51-inch extendable selfie stick / tripod. I actually use it in filming, and I'll show it to you. I have it laying around here somewhere. And it also has a dimmable video light. It's a mini table tripod stand, portrait shooting, YouTube DSLR lighting system. It's incredible, and it gets you all the basics. I mean, if you're a video blogger or anything like that, then this is pretty cool, you know. So let me show you the tripod. All right, so this is the tripod that comes in this kit right here. I'm like so disorganized. It's bad enough you see in my messy house, let alone this kitchen table. You'd absolutely die if you actually saw it. But anyways, this is what's in here. And well, not this. This is the box. I'm just so all over the place, guys. Sorry. If you can follow along, that would be great. But anyways, I use this when I film, and there's one in here, and it's a pretty cool tripod. Like I said, it goes up to, what does that say right there? 51 inches. And it's also a selfie stick too. So let me show you how this thing works. All right. Woohoo. All right. And then it has this little thing right here on the bottom, so you can obviously stand it up. See, right there. So you got your stand. You get your camera or your phone or whatever it is you film with, you can put it right on here, and it tilts in, so if you want to be, you know, obviously not using it this way, but if you want to like literally film and have it as a selfie stick, you can point your camera up like this and you can get some really cool angles, you know, or you can just use it to beat people off the, you know, you can use it as self-defense, you know, whatever, it's all good. All right. So this is what's in here. Obviously, I just showed you the tripod. Here it is, new in the package, not used. So you're gonna get that. Okay. What else? You're also going to get Alright, you're also going to get this really cool light that attaches onto that, and it has all your different controls right here. You can change all the colors, red, blue, green, police siren type, you know, your regular white, your off tones. Anyways, this is what you'll get also. So this is really cool, and that's the back. Alright, I use this. Okay. You're also going to get this. I don't want to open it. Well, I guess I can open it. You'll also get this little mount right there. Okay, you get that little mount right there, little tabletop type version. And as if that's not enough, where am I looking here? Right here? You're also gonna get this. This is cool. This is it's like a little swivel. Let's see, how do I do this? So this makes it like if you're using your tripod as a selfie stick, your camera, your phone, or whatever you're using, you can tilt it in so you can see, you know. You can tilt it in, tilt it out, you know, whatever you want to do. And I'll probably throw some other little goodies in there too. You know, Christmas is coming, so there might be little surprises in the box for you. But anyways, that's the giveaway, and that's what I'm going to give to you. So thank you for all your support, comments, views, suggestions. It's all welcome. Is there anything else? I feel like I'm missing something. No? All right. So that's all the stuff that's in this box right here for the giveaway. All right. Now let me show you some of the things that you guys have sent. And honestly, I love it. I absolutely love it. I can't thank you enough. Right, hold on a second here. All right. So there it is. That's for you. Okay. Got some cards. Got this. Where'd that other one go? Okay, I was right in front of. You ever have one of those off days? Well, today's one of those off days, and I shouldn't be filming anything right now because it's really not making any sense, and I'm all out of order. I guess there's no rules, but all right. First of all, I just wanna take the time to say thank you for. I do have a PO box. Some of you know, some of you don't, but either way, you guys send me some things once in a while, and I really want to take the time to say thank you. It doesn't go unappreciated, and honestly, this right here. I opened it, so this isn't going to be like a surprise, guys. I already opened and checked these things out, but this is really cool. I got a Halloween card. It says it's Halloween, beware, but most of all, be cool. Cool, right? Yeah, somebody sent a card. I thought that was really nice. I'm not 100% sure who this is. It came from Charlestown, Rhode Island. So apparently if you're watching this, you know who you are. So thank you. And you took the time, and this is what the card says on the inside. It says, it's Halloween, beware, but most of all, be cool. In other words, be yourself. Happy Halloween. And then in handwriting, it says, thank you. And it says, Ceres Moon or Ceres Moon. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. But what he or she included, is a drawing. All right. It says Marlo, see right here. I want you to tell me if this looks like me. I think it kind of does. Somebody actually took the time to sketch out my face. Do I look like this? I think maybe I do. Yeah, I guess it does kind of look like me. I think that's the coolest ever. Somebody actually took the time to sketch this out. It is so cool. They even got my little birthmark right there, you know, so thank you. This is mostly appreciated. Thank you so much. You know, I kind of wish you sent a return address. You know, I would like to send a thank you card, but you didn't. So if this video finds you, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Now check this out, guys. This is what showed up. So this right here, this came from my friend Bernie. Bernie, thank you so much. If you want to follow him on Instagram, he's the Cosmic Doorknob. All right, the Cosmic Doorknob. And go check that out. His Viking account, random make you think account. Anyways, you don't even know how this came about. It was he had made a comment on one of my videos, and if I can take that up, I'll actually just show you what it was. But he made a comment on one of my videos, and whatever he said, I thought to myself, you know something? That would make a great t-shirt. And then just literally out of the blue, that t-shirt showed up. So check this out, all right? So this was commented on one of my videos, and I made a comment saying that this would make a great saying on a t-shirt, and lo and behold, there it is. See that? As long as there is coffee, all adventures are possible. Now that is awesome. That is awesome. It's like just something so simple as this little saying. It seemed like it would be perfect on a t-shirt, and here it is. And here's the back. This is really cool. This was an image of me looking at a map. I happened to be in, I believe I was in New Hampshire, looking at, I don't know if it was Two Sisters or Three Sisters, the mountain range. I think I was in New Hampshire, and I had posted a picture, and this is the image that he used on the back. Look at that. That is the coolest thing ever, isn't it? So Bernie, you don't even know, this made my day. This is absolutely amazing. You will be seeing me wear this on some future explores. And literally, I don't take these things lightly. This is like, you took your time, you had this made, you had it sent to me. This is awesome. And you know what? I got 2 of them. So there's that. I love it. Thank you so much. Love that. That's the best. And then this came in from my friend Aunt Clara. Not her real name, but that's what she's gonna go by. Aunt Clara, thank you so much. She sent me this card. All right, let me just show you the card. Cute, right? A couple of cats having tea or some craziness. I don't even know. But anyway, and on the inside, in a world that's gone to the dogs, I'm glad there are friends like you. You know something? Aunt Clara, I love you. I swear to God, I really do. I appreciate the things that you send me. You've sent me a couple of bucks here and there, and this was no different. I asked her, I'm like, you don't have to send me money, you know something? I do this, it's my time, my own dime. I'm not making any kind of bank on YouTube or anything like that, but you know, money's tight for a lot of people. So if anybody takes the time to actually send me a little bit of cash, it's going right in the gas tank. So I really appreciate that. And there's also a happy Halloween. And there's the, but check this out. So minus the cash, thank you, I appreciate that. There was some like really cool little stickers. Got like a little pack of Christmas stickers because Christmas is coming, whether we want it to or not. It's just around the corner and it's on its way. But that actually leads me to another thing that I'll get to in a minute. See what I mean? Like I'm all over the place in this video. We're gonna talk about everything. We're gonna sip some coffee. I'm doing a giveaway. We're going over some of my, some of the things I've received in the P.O. box. And, but anyway, so these are the stickers. Back to that. That's what they look like on that side. And I'll use them. Some stickers right there. And look at these. These are adorable. I think they're stickers. You know what? I'm not even really sure. So let's just open one and see what it is. Is it a sticker? Okay. I think it's like a little card. And like it has its own like little envelope. I love these. I love these. Look at that. It's just like little cards. And here's another little one right there. Wicked cool. You know what? I love these. Thank you. Thank you so much, Aunt Clara. You rock. For real. All right, so like I said, Christmas is right around the corner. Oh my God, it seems like we just had Christmas. But yeah, Christmas is right around the corner, and that brings me up to the next point I want to say. I love receiving mail. I'm sure you do too. So I want to do a Christmas card exchange like I did last year. I just started it. I got a few Christmas cards from some people. Naomi, thank you. Bonnie, Stanton's, Journeys, J&M. I mean, not trying to call everybody out, but it was awesome to actually exchange some Christmas cards. And oh yeah, if you haven't checked out those channels as well, check out Stanton's Journeys. I'm wicked sorry. I'm jacked up on the caffeine. Naomi, she's always a good supporter. She's always commenting, you know, a good video and stuff like that. So I really appreciate that. And Exploring with Bonnie, go check them out if you haven't. And all great channels. And the Nature Man, we just recently did a collab. It was like the best day. The whole thing was a vibe. And but anyways, back to this. This is my P.O. box. Okay. So there's my P.O. box right there. Explore with me, Marlo C. P.O. Box 1014, Pembroke, Mass. 02359. If you want to send me some mail, I'll send you some back. Let's do some Christmas cards. Let's send each other some Christmas cards and, you know, get back into that whole snail mail type thing. I love receiving mail. I love receiving cards, and I think it'll be a fun time. So let's do that. It'll be fun. All right, what else is on the agenda for today? Well, guys, thank you for joining me on today's little video, my mail call, some shout outs, some thank yous, and let's exchange some Christmas cards. I feel so weird talking about that so early. I mean, it's October, for crying out loud. Haven't even got into Thanksgiving yet, and I'm already like, send me some Christmas cards, and I'll send you some. But I have some amazing explores coming up. Can't wait to bring you along, and as always, guys... Yep, that just happened. Oh my God. All right, guys. I just broke dishes all over the place. Oh my God. I had the way I had this camera set up, I just broke dishes. Look at this. Did I tell you I had an off day? Jesus. Is this the most disorganized video you've ever seen? Yes, yes it is. I just smashed up a whole bunch of dishes that I have on a shelf in my kitchen. I collect these little teacups and stuff, and now it's just a big pile of smashed porcelain glass all over. Broke all kinds of dishes here. This is real. I'm not gonna edit that out. It is what it is. You know, I told you today it's like an off day, and that's all I got. So guys, I have some amazing adventures coming up. I'll just see you on the next one. I gotta get away from the camera and just get out of this house. Anyways, just tell me what you want to see on this channel. Do you want to see more outdoor adventures? Do you want to see like more paranormal? Do you want to see the abandoned? Do you want to see a healthy mix of both? Anyways, drop it down below, guys, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. All right, I gotta get going actually.